Alright, this is your weekend trade. I'm going to do this really quickly. NYB here. Fundamentally a very good company, recommended by one of my colleagues who works in the fundamental analysis. He recommended it to me around $16.50 in the middle of September, and I was looking at it. I said, it's going to go up, but I'm not ready to buy yet. So now, a couple months later, I'm ready to buy. We're about to see a breakout, I'm sure. Alright, we have a major resistance level right here, around 1730. See, 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, and 4 touch yesterday. So we got 4 touches within the last 9 months, very significant. And then we have a trend line that extends not to this one, because I tried extending the line, never actually touched. And I can even do it again. See, goes right below it. So take that one right back to where it was. We have that trend line there. So that's where we see a triangle formation starting, and we're going to take the distance right here, duplicate it, and then we're going to extend that same distance over the top. So we got about a $3 target, actually more like a $2.80. Since that's sitting at 1730, I'm going to play it safe, since I know that $20 is going to be a resistance level because it's a psychologically significant number. So we're going to extend our measuring formula. From there, we're going to move that pattern to the top, and I can only actually see this, thank you Thinkorswim, if I move out to the 5-year charts. So bear with me as I do this. So we can see it. It's going to be zoomed out a lot because that's the last time that the price hit that level. So we're going to move out to the 5-year chart. Actually, let's go to the 10-year chart, and there we go. Our target, and only be looking at this area over here. Disregard everything over there. Our target is going to be $20, alright? And we can somewhat project a time frame for that with this line here. We're expecting it to hit that trend line eventually, and when it does, that's going to be our next expected resistance level. So judging by what that's making right there, with the distance of a year being that wide, I would expect it to hit $20. We can start the price objective probably at the end of January, and then we can take that, we can give it a 2-month margin of error. So $20 by the end of January, end of March. Alright? And remember, $20, that is a minimum objective. It might as well just break through there and go all the way up to this 23 level. But for right now, I'm playing it safe. Minimum there. Alright, so if NYB on Monday opens above $17.30, buy. If it does not, you can wait, or you can still buy anyway. Limit your risk just a little bit. We're actually going to set, if you're buying below the 1730 resistance level, then you're going to set your stop loss at $17. If it closes below $17, sell the next morning at place a stop order at $16.88. And if you're buying above $17.30, say it breaks out on Monday above $17.30, we're going to set our stop level at a close between $17.30. So we have an objective of let's see, $17.30 plus $2.70 per share. So on each one, reward $2.70 per share, and the risk is going to be, since if it would close below $17.30, we'd set a stop order for the next day at $17.15, just a simple trailing stop. Progressive stop. Our risk would be 15 cents a share. our reward to risk ratio equals 18. That is an amazing ratio. That means that for every $1 that you are risking, possibly risking, you're expecting to make $18 off of it. The normal risk-reward ratio for a trade is closer to about 4 or 5. So very low risk trade, very high profit potential. I'd be buying within the next few days. All right, post any questions in the comment box. We'll see how I do. All right, I'll see hopefully next week.